let's talk about how to define the type of file you want your users to upload. A situation where you have a file uploader in your app and you want your users to be able to upload PDFs alone and nothing else. How do you do that? And how do you also notify them that they uploaded the wrong file? What you want to do here is first to, let me just start that all over again. Do when condition is true, okay, and you want to set the run this to every time. Okay, so the condition would be when file uploader A value is not empty, okay, that's the first condition, and file uploader A value, the file name, then split by dot. I would explain everything in a bit. Split by dot, then refer to the last item is not PDF. Okay, so let me explain what I'm doing here. The first condition is when file uploader value A is not empty, that is, it has a value within it, okay, and the same file uploader's value, the file name split by. Now let me quickly explain what's happening here. Now we are referring to the name of the file uploader now, and then we are splitting it by dot. Now take a file, for example. Say you have a document called resume.pdf. Okay, now what we are doing here is splitting the file name by dot. Okay, so resume will be the first item separated by dot, and then the file extension PDF will be the last item. Okay, so that's why we are referring to the last item here. So the last item we are referring to here is the file extension, which is PDF. Okay, so we are saying if the last item, which is the file extension, is not PDF, we want to do certain things. So the first thing we want to do is to show a notification. By the way, I've gone ahead to install those notification by Minimum Studio. Okay, so we say notify a notifier, file invalid. That's the first action I want to run, and the second one is to reset the file uploader itself. Now you wouldn't see anything like reset file uploader here, but then the way to do is to reset the group that is housing the file uploader, or the container housing the file uploader. And in this case, the container housing it here is this uploader component, right? This whole thing is a reusable element. So the reusable element is the container housing my file uploader. So I'll just refer to that. So say reset a group or pop-up and refer to that reusable element. And then the last thing you want to do is to delete it. That is, delete it from your database. So delete an uploaded file, and then you supply the URL of that file uploader. The file within the file uploader, you supply the URL within this action. So you'd say file uploader is value URL, and that's it. So let's see what we have in run mode. So guys, I'm going to try to upload a file that isn't PDF. I'm uploading a picture that is JPEG. Okay, you see that file invalid, and then it is cleared and deleted. So right now I'll try uploading a file that is PDF. I have a PDF file here. Yes, so that's it guys. That is how to control the file type you want your file uploader to accept.